Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna do a quick little video on these turkey rolls. I thought it was cool. I got some football in the background. There's little Leo. Right, Leo? Anyway, so you get these rolls specifically. I saw this, one of those, videos on Instagram, which is probably actually TikTok. You let these things defrost or whatever, you leave them out like 3 to 5 hours, which takes forever, but they rise up. And then what you do is you take your scissors, nice sharp scissors, right? Make a cut on the right, then make a cut on the left. I showed you all the little steps here since I'm holding my phone to film this. Then a cut on a diagonal, then another cut this way. Then this little tip you either fold over or rip off, and then you cross over the little tops, right? So we have a turkey shape. So I will do that to all of these rolls, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook them. And when they're done, they should be nice little dinner rolls that look like little turkeys, right? Adorable. So we'll see how it comes out. All right, so that's what it looks like. It does take a little bit of time. You don't have to cut off the middle, just tuck it underneath. So there you go. Now they kind of look like turkeys. We'll see what they look like when they're all done. All right, they're out of the oven, looking golden. They're gonna go onto these cooling racks and get a little brush of butter. Then they'll be done. All right, rolls are all done. Nice with butter. And they do kind of look like turkeys, which is cool. And we're carving the turkey. And I'm not using a very cool knife because my wife bought an electric carver, which is fine. This actually works really well. Probably better than just a nice sharp knife. So that's it. Good to enjoy some Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. If you make these rolls, let me know down in the comments. Take care.